In this video, I am going to show you a step-by-step procedure to make your Windows 10 look like Windows 11. Stay with me. First, go to video's description and download the file from there. After downloading, extract the content of the folder. Now you will see all these files. We need to install each of these files in our system one by one. Open this folder and install US Theme Patcher and click next and install it. Now go to theme folder and select all these themes. Select copy. Now go to your C drive and go to your Windows folder. Press R button on your keyboard and find resources. Click here, go to theme and paste all these themes here. Do this for all and continue. Now go to settings. Select option personalization. Now go to themes and select 11 light from here. Then set Windows 11 wallpaper. You will find all these wallpapers in this particular folder. Apply the one which you like the most. After that, I am going to change the icons to Windows 11. For this, go to this folder written as 7tsp. Open this and run this as run as administrator. Now click on add a custom pack icon and go to the folder of 7tsp and select this file and click on open. Then select start patching. Now it takes 4 to 5 minutes and after that restart your computer and you will see that your icons are changed to Windows 11. Now again go to Windows 10 file folder and go to old new explorer folder and click on this file. Check only these boxes and click on install. After installing, close this file. Now in the next step, we need to install Start 11 software on our system. To do this, open your browser and search for Start 11 software download. Click on the provided link and then click try for free. The software will begin downloading to your PC. After downloading, install this software. Once you open this software, it will show you 3 options. Select Start 30-day trial. Now enter your email address and click on continue. Now they send a confirmation mail to your email address which look like this. Now simply click activate 30-day trial and you are good to go. Now select center align option and select Windows 11 style. If you select Windows 10 style, it look like this, which in my opinion looks very good. Now if you select modern style, it look like this, and if you select Windows 7 style, it look like this. Now select Windows 11 style from there. Now moving on to the next step. Now go to configure menu and select customize menu appearance. Go to adjust menu transparency and select 79 here. Now go to adjust visual effects and select this setting as I show here. Set this to large. Now go to start button and select centered aligned. Now go to taskbar section and set taskbar transparency according to your preference. Match all these settings. Now set the taskbar position to centered align and after that close this software. Now moving on to our last step, go to curtains folder and install curtain setup. We will reboot later. Now close this software and go back to curtains folder, select this file, copy it. Now go to your C drive and make a new folder EF here and paste that file inside this folder. Right click on it and select install curtain style. Now you will see this style written as 11. Select this. Now close this application and restart your PC. After that you will see that your Windows 10 is now changed. Thank you for watching. Hit like and subscribe button for more of our videos.